Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy picture of the table and place in another column in Google Docs. So let's started. At first, open your Docs file. Firstly, copy picture in of the table, place another column is the any column is fair click, then place picture is the going to the insert menu option and click for the image option and click for upload from computer, then any source image, then we show the picture in the table column. This picture is the copy and click for the picture in the click and click for the mouse right button option and click for the copy option, then copy is the another column is for click and mouse right button click for the and click for the paste option, then we show the copy picture table another column in Google Docs. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.